Okay, let's go. Yes, go ahead.
Take care, Rabbi. Yeah, I have a few questions, but I want to make just two that I think that's like the most important because we have a lot of overtime already.
Okay.
Yeah, in regards to witchcraft, I mentioned before, like witchcraft is it's like a thing here in South America. It's like very common, unfortunately. Like people here, instead of having like a primary care physician, they have like a primary care sorcerer. It's very unfortunate. But the thing is, what happens if a person invites over someone that does these things to his house? Is that gonna be counterproductive for this person and for his house or something, or does this person have to do something specific inside the house that he gets in or something like that?
So this sorcery is taking its power from the spirits of impurity. Just so you know, so it is alive and well, and it's very dangerous. You understand? So we're trying to stay away from this as far as possible. So if it's possible to avoid such a people to come to your house, so that's what you have to do. If you need to say indirect lie, something like vague lie, so that's better to do that, not to put it in that situation, not to allow these people into your house. For example, when you move into a new house, there is a special procedure, Hanukkah Sabais, like sanctification of the house. So at least a minimum, right? You have to like paint the walls or something, because the spirits of the impurity, especially if people, and we're not talking about people that they did witchcraft, like regular people. Still, they have a lot of impurity from their life. So you have to refresh the whole house because of that, because it resides on the wall. And yeah, you understand? So it's proper not to have contact with these people. Can they create damage? And unless you're very, very holy, yes, they can. So we're trying to limit all our contact. So they go this way. So there are a few people that I know. So like they go this way. So I see from the far, they live on my block. They're going my way. So I cross the street, even though I go to different direction. Doesn't matter. So I look at the window. I look at the floor. I look at somebody's flowers and look at the bushes. So I no eye contact on the different sides of the road. People with very bad energy, very bad aura, very like disgusting character traits. Like even I never spoke to these people, but I heard them on the street, the way they talk to others. So okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. What else?
Well, what happens in the case that I mean, I am not the one that has to invite this person over. I live with more people here where I am right now. And they are the ones that have to invite this person over that I know is a lot into these things. Like she's this woman like very knowledgeable about these things, and I don't want her to get here, but I don't think there's much that I can do besides like persuading some people, like telling them a few things. But I don't know. What would be like the right way to pursue someone about these issues without like getting like, I don't know, too aggressive or something like that? Just what would be like the right way to kind of tell people these things, kind of inform people about these things?
It's not, you have to understand, it's not such an easy thing to do, right? Because as you said, it's part of the culture, and many people don't see anything wrong about it. So they would look at you as you're not normal. You understand? So instead of going to the doctor, they go into this person, and many times it helps, or helps, does not help. But well, let's say it helped even 1 out of 1,000 people, and they make a story about it, and he brags, and they say, no, it's I have a friend of a friend. So this story that I know a few stories that is told like totally different. One is about guy, one is about a girl, but everybody claiming, all of these people claiming that they know somebody who knows somebody, and their friend or their father. Oh, okay. So that's how the stories travel. And so now to convince these people not to have them over, are they going to listen to you? Maybe not. Or I don't think so. So we have to devise some plan maybe for you not to be there, right? Or close the room, close the door, have a headache. Yeah, for this you have to be nauseous from this discussing things. You understand? So if you say that you don't feel well, it would be true, right? So yeah. So I like for example, somebody would invite me to a meal in a synagogue somewhere in the middle of whatever. It's not nice people, but I have my own schedule. So I said no, I am on a diet. Doctor put me on a diet. Okay, so doctor put it. What diet? I said diet. Do you need to know about all the diets? People get confused, right? But who is the doctor? Rambam told me, right? Rambam told me not to sit with scoffers, not to sit with clowns. So and unless I want to lose my olam haba. Okay, since I don't. So doctor told me. Who is the doctor? Big doctor told me. He put me on a special diet. What diet? The diet of the Torah, not loshen hora and other empty talk and wasting life. So that's doctor told me, and everybody understand. Doctor told you. So that's what you're allowed to use. Did he say the truth? Yes. Did he say the doctor? Yes. Is he big doctor? Huge doctor. Did he tell you? He told you and all of the generations. Yes. That's holy Doctor Rambam. You understand? So yeah. So it's properly not to be there, but because it is impurity. It is impurity.
Yeah, that's wow. So what about? I mean, there's like a version here that I kind of think is more like receptive towards these things. Mm-hmm. Can I talk to this person and say like, okay, listen, like say something like strong, like listen, this person has like impurities, like spiritual impurity. Mm-hmm. And perhaps this is gonna be kind of productive here, not just for the place itself, but the people that live here as well. So yeah, can I talk to this person in order to try to achieve something, perhaps? So
if you have somebody who respects your opinion, who is going to listen, yeah, you can try to talk to. You can try to talk to, yes, absolutely. But remember that sometimes the conversation can spill over, and that person who is being invited can find out about this conversation as well. So you have to be very careful what you said. You understand? So as Rabbi Reuven Shlita told me many years ago, he said, make sure whatever you say in the private messages, be ready that sometimes, maybe one day it could be played out to the whole wide world. So if you're not ready to say that, don't say it. Because many people that contact me, I have no idea who they are. No idea. So, and somebody contact me with 17 questions based on videos that I suggested. You understand? So if I say something wrong, they can make a clip out. They can make I don't know. So I'm trying to be very careful what I say. So I have no I know what only phone number. That's it. So what is the phone number tells me? Nothing. You understand? So even this person who is receptive, maybe other side is more convincing, more like people like to be popular, but people like to share things. You understand? So you have to in your mind you have to have a balance. Whatever you say and way out, just in case this person would decide to share with others your conversation. Yes.
Thank you, Rabbi. Yeah, I think, due to the situation, I think I'm gonna have to run away from it.
So that's as well yesterday in this Chofetz Chaim book. Just do not be there. If you're there, you have to stop everybody and rebuke everybody and ask and beg, and they're going to make fun of you. I mean, it's not so simple to go against like a group of the people, like-minded people. You understand? Especially when all of these ways of Yetzer Hara. They are one team. They've been together. They like whatever they do. So now, who said they're going to listen to it? Maybe, but to one person that you have, yeah, try to talk and see, start conversation from the far and see how receptive this person is.
Absolutely, thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Yeah, this thing is gonna be. They're gonna come like for dinner or something like that. It's gonna be a Saturday night.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just planning it. I mean, hopefully for it to be after Havdalah, so that I can do Havdalah here where I am and just flee somewhere else.
Yes, yeah. Go have fresh air. That's it. So, it should be beneficial. You just take your headphones and listen to a class and read the book somewhere. And that's it. So it should be beneficial. Don't waste this time. Don't waste your time.